Bentornate persone di DoppioGioco. It is me, Luca. L'ultima volta abbiamo risolto tutta la situazione qui ad Okinawa. Ci è stato gentilmente detto di smammare e passare alla prossima città. Off screen ho fatto tutte le altre richieste e... beh, potrà sembrare alquanto sorprendente da dire tipo no Luca, da te non ce lo saremmo mai aspettato. Però sono bello grosso. Oh! Makoto sta avendo un malore.
What's wrong, Makoto? It's nothing. Just my lower back aching a little from the drive. Is it because we made you do all the driving? Well, I was aiming for a straight shot's Kyushu, but I never planned on this.
Dovremmo fare una pausa, perché no? Oh, tonkatsu ramen.
Three colors combined to form an exquisite harmony in my bowl. I dare not take another sip, lest this masterpiece be ruined.
Ryuji dall'altro lato, guarda che me la bevo io se non la vuoi.
Let me have a little taste.
Nope. Fa attenzione, Scott.
Could you, blow on it? The feline tongue is sensitive.
Ah, ma credevo che tu non fossi un gatto. Gne.
You finally admit you're a cat over ramen?
Io sto scherzando. Perché io anticipo le battute di Ryuji? Perché tutte le santissime volte?
Hey, where are you guys?
A mangiare ramen? Siamo a Fukuoka?
I'm calling to let you know I think I found our guy. More details in person. Saves us time and energy. How soon do you think you can be at Kyoto? Nijima's down for the count, huh? What about a bullet train? Or can't you ask Okumura? Doesn't she have a license?
È un problema.
Are you okay to drive, Mako-chan? Honestly, I'm not at 100%, but I don't want to let you guys down. Then I'll drive. Mako-chan, I'm taking over.
Mako-chan, fuck off! Let me drive! Oddio, è una speedster. Le piace il brivido della velocità?
I think I'll be just fine. I have a special technique that'll make your head spin.
Oh.
Get ready to shift into overdrive.
Ah, Luca Racofesto Okumura. Da qualche parte a Kyoto.
They're not here yet, huh?
Oh wow.
What the hell?
E questa è come finisce la nostra storia. Aro ci ha fatto letteralmente schiantare contro un muro e purtroppo i nostri eroi perdono la vita in un incidente.
You guys got here quick.
I thought we were gonna die.
Gonna puke.
Puke.
Hey?
Ok.
My apologies, Haru, but I request you steer clear of the driver's seat from now on.
The room finally stopped spinning.
I'm glad you guys made it here in one piece.
By the way, what is this place?
You could call it my secret base, I guess. A good friend of mine used to run it. But now, it's just an empty old bar. Suitable for investigating far away from any prying eyes.
Huh.
Let me break it down for you bit by bit. I cross-referenced every name on the list we found in Okinawa, based on our assumption that the mastermind would stand to benefit from changing hearts en masse. This is who we ended up with.
The skinny bastard.
The man's name is Jun Owada. 69 years old, he's on his 10th term as a legislator. He worked his way up to chief cabinet secretary of the ruling party. In short, he's not someone to mess with. They say he was a Masayoshi Shido supporter during the election last year.
Un sostenitore di Shido. Potrebbe avere delle conoscenze sulla psioscienza.
I never thought I'd hear his name again.
Mi aspettavo dovesse saltare prima o poi. Altrimenti come funziona Emma?
Do you know him?
Era un nemico potente, alquanto. Ed aveva un fisico eccezionale all'interno del suo inconscio.
But we're not after him right now. That list contained a handful of Owada's political opponents. After checking his inner circle for sympathizers, I found out he's been meeting with a certain entrepreneur.
Il CEO di Medis?
Nice guess. Akira Konoe.
Akira Konoe, ok, mi ero scordato come si chiamava. Lo ricordo come Tony Stark perché è Tony Stark.
Whenever Owada wants someone out of his way, he calls on Konoe to take action. The people on that list most likely had their hearts changed in Osaka, where Medisa's main office is. There's a good chance we'll find a jail in Osaka, with Konoe as its monarch.
I did send to jail. Oh, right! We did pass through Osaka when I took a wrong turn.
You should have spoken up!
I did speak up, but you guys were too busy to listen.
Sì, stavate vomitando e urlando come dei pazzoidi.
Another thing I noticed is how many high-ranking members of the force were on that list.
Perché sembrerebbe strano che tipo, guarda, Medis c'ha tutte le carte in regola per poter fare queste cose. Può essere mai che non ha un piede nelle forze dell'ordine, in un modo o nell'altro.
Won't we need a keyword to gain access?
Quello è la issue principale.
I'll be meeting Konoe at Medisa's corporate headquarters today. I told him we had intel about a possible security leak involving their software. I'll suggest he add me on Emma so I can answer any further questions. and we'll have ourselves a keyword.
È piuttosto rischioso, però.
Let us come with.
The sooner we enter the jail, the sooner we can finish this operation.
There's a chance I might not get the keyword. Besides, doesn't Nijima need a breather? In fact, you all look like you need one.
Now we gotta wait even more?
You really want to complain? Right when I'm about to tell you the big surprise I have in store for you?
Am I losing my mind?
This is one of Kyoto's fanciest hot spring hotels. A single night averages 40,000 yen per person.
Is he sure about that?
Sede centrale Midis, Osaka.
I had an appointment with Mr. Konoe.
Mr. Konoe is currently out on urgent business.
Oh no! Il signor Konoe è scappato al lungo braccio della giustizia.
But I was specifically told I could meet him here at this time.
I'm sure, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but you'll have to come back again.
Inconvenience.
What's going on here?
Ufficio del direttore.
Commissioner, right on time.
Tutto secondo i piani, insomma.
There's a favor I'd like to ask you.
I hear you're after the Phantom Thieves. They're the culprits behind the change of heart epidemic we keep hearing so much about.
We still lack concrete proof of that, actually.
But my source just provided me some info. Phantom Thieves tried hacking one of the biggest virtual assistant programs this nation ever produced. Now they're looking to steal people's information.
Tempo di rigirare la frittella contro i ladri fantasma.
First, they get all the dirt on you. Then they make you confess whatever they feel is convenient for them. That's what this epidemic is.
Fidati di me, cara poliziotta, sono un uomo influente in giacca e cravatta.
They must be arrested immediately, for my own peace of mind and that of the people.
Che cosa conveniente da dire, per la mia, ma anche quella del popolo.
What is this really about?
As protectors of the law, simply wish to do what's right and assist them. There's also the matter of the next election, which I do hope to take part in. I'm sure you catch my drift.
You know. Power.
You want the Phantom Thieves arrested and the epidemic ended without any proof.
You're also to understand that coming up with proof is part of your job.
Però è molto gentile usare la parola trovare. Potevi anche farlo creare delle prove.
What we call a change of heart epidemic, the public calls justice. They believe the Phantom Thieves are exposing society's evils.
They'll be charged with murder.
Aia, come? Dove e quando?
The body was found in Okinawa, at a research center for artificial intelligence. The victim was leading Emma's development. Once the Phantom Thieves discovered how to penetrate the system, they murdered the poor man. There's something in it for you, too. How'd you like to call yourself Senior Commissioner?
If you two are giving the orders, then there's nothing more to question.
Akira Konoe held an emergency press conference. He announced that Emma, his company's latest virtual assistant, will cease service for the time being.
Perché?
Emma's servers were indeed hacked.
Serve a rigirare la frittella sui ladri fantasma. Adesso se ne escono, sono stati i ladri fantasma da cararci.
Some of your personal data was leaked in the attack. Or who was behind this horrendous attack? It was the Phantom Thieves. The very same terrorists causing all sorts of mayhem as of late.
Attento alla parola terrorista, bro.
What? They've even murdered one of our very own. All to steal his research.
That's bullshit!
We'll never succumb to your threats.
State bene, ragazzi? Sbrigatevi di uscire di lì, perché probabilmente we're fucked. Gomblotto. Mo ci sparano pure. Tempo di sparare a degli adolescenti, di cui alcuni sono legalmente perseguibili, altri di meno. Però, shit, time to kill some teenagers!
Ma'am, entry secure.
Good work.
Commissioner!
You're late.
Già. Commissioner, the fuck?
But you know this case isn't solved yet. The Phantom Thieves have absolutely nothing to do with the change of heart epidemic.
Gli sta facendo rapporto abbastanza frequentemente e gli dice: guarda, la situazione è questa e questa e questa e quest'altra, però io sono una donna in carriera. Sai che cazzo me ne faccio della verità?
So how can something like this happen?
It's as Mr. Konoe stated.
Where's the proof of any of this?
You seem awfully concerned about a group of criminals, Inspector Hasegawa. Have you forgotten they've been our leading suspects from the start?
Sì, ma delle prove che t'ho dato, tutte le informazioni che t'ho dato, sono carta straccia.
Don't you sense something wrong here? There has to be more to it.
Like when your wife died?
Fuck!
This organization is as rotten as it is immense. One cannot simply bend it to their will. If you want to follow justice, learn to exercise restraint. Once I'm at the top, I will bring the corrupt to their knees. Let my justice be your justice.
Fidati di me, che mi sto facendo corrompere in questo momento.
They're not even criminals. They're kids.
All units, move out.
Hold it! Run for it! All of you!
Hai appena perso il tuo lavoro.
You're under arrest.
Ah, ok, pensavo lo colpivano prima dietro la testa e poi lo ammanettavano. Mi aspettavo più che tipo sfondasse la porta e per poi urlare scappate. Non che tipo si piazza semplicemente davanti all'entrata e poi fare Yo, bro! Esci da là dentro! Ehi, Mona!
The password. What pairs well with curry?
Coffee.
Accepted.
Che cos'è? Il gruppo di resistenza contro le donne? Perché sono state ingiuste nei nostri confronti? Nonostante noi avessimo commesso comunque un errore.
The streets are packed with cop cars, and there are foot patrols on every corner. Why is Zenkichi's name on TV?
Last night, the Kyoto Prefectural Police announced their arrest of Inspector Zenkichi Hasegawa for harboring fugitives.
Dipartimento di polizia a Kyoto, sala interrogatori.
Should have just left those thieves alone. I couldn't even protect the ones I care about most.
Ah, no, Fra, non giocarti questa carta.
God damn it! Wonder if they made it out all right. As if that even matters anymore.
Please stop touching our things.
La camera di Akane sarà un problema.
Zenkichi Hasegawa of the Kyoto Police held under suspicion, arrested for harboring fugitives. The Phantom Thieves found responsible for murder and hacking Emma? Impossible. Somebody help me.
How can I help you?
Oh no.
Emma, you think the cops can actually catch the Phantom Thieves?
May take a considerable amount of time. If it takes any longer, it may negatively impact our public image.
What's our best option?
We could always trap them in a jail and force a change of heart. It would be best to make the Phantom Thieves come to us. Instead of chasing them, we can use someone they're close with as bait to lure them into a jail.
Oh wow. Caso vuole che noi ci abbiamo Zenkichi. O peggio, Akane.
Make that person a monarch.
I got a hold of my sister. Yes, she was angry. But she also said she'd do her best to help. Then we'll leave Zenkichi to Nijima for now.
Ladri Fantasma. Abbiamo preso Akane Hasegawa. Se la rivolete venite in Aritaisha. Fuck!
We can't just leave her. With Zenkichi-san behind bars, we're the only ones who can save her. Even if it is a trap, let's turn the tables against them.
We made it here somehow.
I don't see anybody suspicious.
Come ci arriva adesso la parola chiave?
I found a jail. There wasn't one before. I'm sure of it. But there is one now.
You have a friend request from the Phantom Thieves.
Isn't Emma supposed to be inactive?
I just want to know why the friend request says it's from the Phantom Thieves. Makes it seem like we're the bad ones.
Keyword successfully entered.
The keyword's Phantom Thieves too?
Oh, you're shitting me!
Help me!
Oh no! You are my friend! Ninja Run da parte di un gatto è strano.
Crap, that is her!
Come on, she needs help. Yeah.
Ah, shit!
What the hell's going on?
Look out!
Oh, cripio. Chi sei? Oh wow, that's a nice design. That's a nice costume. That's cool. I like it.
Welcome, Phantom Thieves, to my own jail.
Hey, wait! You can't just barge in here like this. Sorry, Miss Nijima, but
Yeah!
we're in the middle of questioning.
I can see why they would trust you.
Perché sembra un maledetto. Idiota sprovveduto. Sì, lo sembra.
Nijima?
Nice to meet you, Zenkichi Hasegawa. I'm Sai Nijima, and I've been asked to get you out of here. I heard you've been looking after Makoto for me.
Thank heavens you're all right. Where are the others?
They've all been caught by Akane.
Una spiegazione più tardi.
Get down already or they're gonna see you.
Get down, she says.
Aia, le gambe. Mi servono.
Akane's in here. Somewhere.
They're on you, Zenkichi. Hide!
Oh shit. Porello. Che situazione di merda. Porello.
Nice. Now let's get filthy.
Okay. Let's do this.
Full on normal guy mode, ok. Il modo in cui corre Zenkichi sembra che o ha un appuntamento molto importante, oppure deve andare di corsa in bagno perché gli scappa. Oh wow!
I know.
Giustamente Zenkichi è una persona normale, quindi non ha quell'effetto whoosh. L'idea di avere così a random una stealth section per spezzare la monotonia, vabbè, ottima idea. Geniale, direi.
Who wants their heart changed first?
Go do it, Akane! If you're willing, we can talk this out.
Talk it out? With you? You can just go to hell. How many times I told you what happened? You didn't do a thing, so don't try acting like a father to me.
Please, listen to me, just this once. I couldn't catch the person who took your mother's life.
It's more like you didn't want to catch him. You knew it was Iwata. She's been consumed with frustration ever since she lost her mother. Until you tell her the truth, she's going to keep playing this over and over in her heart. She'll never move past it.
After your mom died, I was taken off the case. They reasoned that a family member couldn't judge impartially. Soon after, that secretary ended his own life, leaving behind a note saying he was the one responsible. To the police, it seemed like solid proof. When you told me what really happened, I knew that note was fake. So without skipping a beat, I opened up my own investigation. But no matter what I found as proof, it'd get wiped one way or another before I could bring it to light.
You gave up, right?
One day I received a threat letter in the mail, telling me to either stop my investigation or my daughter dies. If it weren't for my current boss, I'd still be wallowing in despair. I decided I'd do whatever it takes to help her reach the top. I was even prepared to use all of you without a second thought.
I know what he was trying to do, but to do it, he sacrificed his values as an officer. If it was only us, I get it. We're family. Mom would think so too. What about the secretary who died? Did you ever stop to think what his family's going through? You and the police just sit on your asses all day, letting the bad guys roam free. I'll change that evil bastard's heart so Mom can rest in peace. I'll beat down every last villain in this world.
Is this why you became a monarch? Because I sacrificed others to keep what little family I have alive? Was I wrong? This whole time? I used whoever I could, as long as my daughter was safe. It didn't matter what anyone else suffered. What else was I supposed to do? I was trying to protect my family. It's what anyone would have done. Anyone but a man of justice. Who's there? Are you sure you weren't at fault? He's right. I let Aoi's murderer run free and used the Phantom Thieves solely for my benefit.
But it was for your family's sake, to protect Akane, the daughter you love. If you want to blame someone, blame those monsters that hurt your family.
I may not be a hero, and I sure as hell don't deserve any awards. But at least I know what makes a person evil. Evil only cares about itself. It's the mark of a man who would bring another to ruin and dare not show remorse. I will never let people like that go free. And I'll give everything I have to bring them down!
Do you finally see the truth? Do you know the true face of the guilty? They condemn the good to slavery. Pretend they do not see their agony. Just as you once did. But another story must begin. Now, show your jailers that you will wear a different chain. I am thou. Thou art I. If you yet seek true justice, we will see it done.
Fine. Seal the contract.
Hell yeah!
For real?
For real, my dude! Cazzo, quanto fa Shin Megami Tensei! Soprattutto la divisa.
I know what I have to do now. Condemn the evil and hunt them down.
What happened to my clothes?
Dai, non... Ti adoro, Zenkichi, però aspetta, siamo passati da... Yeah! Tipo, wait, what the fuck? Furore, potente ma consuma HP nel tempo. Gli attacchi speciali permettono a Wolf di recuperare HP. Ok, quindi è paga vita per fare più male. Questo è proprio il momento adatto per ricordare che noi abbiamo una parodia di Bloodborne. Tutto questo fa molto Bloodborne. No, dammela l'esperienza però, dai.
Those scumbags are feeding off your pain and that of other decent human beings. They drain the lives of those around them like parasites, all for their own petty convenience. Don't let them take advantage of you. Come home with me.
You still won't see things my way. With the power I have, I can finally change the bad people's hearts. If that bothers you, then come and get me. But fair warning, I'll change your heart before you even know it.
Connie, don't go!
Was she some sort of hologram?
Ah, adesso facciamo i collegamenti con gli ologrammi e la roba digitale, solo adesso!
Let's get you out of there.
Looks like it's electronically locked. Hold on.
Gli dobbiamo dare un nome in codice, anche se il tutorial ha già spoilerato.
Then go ahead and call me Wolf.
Se l'è dato da solo, come osi darti il nome da solo?
Those endless days of barking on command are done. From now on, lone wolf or not, my fangs will shred all evil.
I'm not a dog anymore, I'm a wolf.
I like the sound of that.
Anche a me.
Welcome to the Phantom Thieves.
Thanks. Good to be here. Not to change the subject, but I want to get back to Akane. And I'm gonna need everyone.
E adesso gli viene un mancamento perché ha risvegliato adesso il potere.
Help?
Bye bye! Allora, supporto Megiddo!